Welcome. In front of me is a BIGME HiBreak Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray from the bottom of the phone. I'm going to push it in. As you can see, the tray will pop out, and on the tray you will find space for just a double SIM card, so you can place one on each side. There we go. Make sure you clip the card into place correctly. It should not be falling out of the tray, and then just pop it back into your phone. When you do so, it will start working right away. Mine has a pin on it, so I need to confirm it. And there we go, and that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.